Egg rolls are crunchy treats enjoyed all over the world, filled with tasty ingredients and wrapped in a crispy shell. They make a very bite exciting and delicious. Let's dive into it. Okay, into my bowl here, I have my flour. I go in with my butter. Okay, you can as well use margarine. Okay, use your finger, your hand to blend the butter into the flour until it crumbles, right? If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do what to support this channel. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. Subscription is free of charge, guys. To my returning subscribers, God bless you. So at this point, guys, I added in my beaten eggs. Okay, go in and mix until it is well combined, right?
I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh, Mira's kitchen.
At this point, I introduce my water, okay, little at a time, okay. So you go ahead to work the dough till the dough is soft, right, and it is well mixed and doesn't stick.
You go feel, say this kitchen love be real. Come chop, no need to rush. This food not get.
I have to go in with 1/4 of flour. Yeah, that is exactly what I'm showing you guys here. Go ahead to mix the dough until it is well combined, okay, and doesn't stick, right? So that is how I'm going to be mixing. So at this point, yeah, it is settled. Now set it aside and allow to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So I went ahead to check the cooked egg, okay? Over here, the egg is done. Now drain the water, add some cold water and allow to settle for some minutes. Go ahead to remove the shell, okay? Once done, you set aside. Over here, the egg is ready. I feel like eating them up now, right? Okay, so beautiful people, it's time to heat up the vegetable oil.
She know they rush, she they move soft.
While we wait for the oil to heat up, let's go ahead to work on our dough. Yeah. So we are going to be dividing the dough, okay? It all depends on the quantity of dough that you are making up.
Oh, Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. Ain't no fake, not real love true. She they pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, where so they rest. Her food go beat for your chest. You go no say you they home. With Mira, you know.
At this point, I'm going to be using my preferable, easiest way of making egg roll, okay? Watch this video, guys. So I'm going to flatten out each ball of dough on the palm of my hand, as you can see on the screen here. Drop the egg in the middle of the flattened dough and tighten wrap the dough around each egg. Yeah, you can see it's well wrapped. Okay, you have to do this so that it doesn't open up too much in the oil, okay? So that is it. I'm going to be repeating the same process until I'm done using up the dough. Or more, can you see? Looks so beautiful. At this point, I'm done. So let's check the readiness of our oil. Okay, that's why I dropped a little. So I went in to add in the dough, the egg roll, almost, right? So that is it, beautiful people. Give it a gentle, a nice stir, just gentle, right? So you cook on a medium heat until golden brown for about 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, turning it every few minutes. Yeah, so that is it. Cook on a medium heat to make sure it is well cooked so that you don't end up inside uncooked. You will not love it, right? So that is it. The egg roll is ready here, so I have to take them off from the oil. Okay, so I'm going to be repeating the same process until I'm done frying all the egg rolls. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira de cool. With love in our hand. You go taste them. You go understand. Oh, Mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, that pepper right. She they cook peace for your night. She they chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go hear you. Now kitchen be a sacred place where she they smile with gentle grace. Oh, Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. He no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, where so they rest. Her food go beat for your chest. You go no say you dey home. With Mira, you know alone.
My amazing people, voila! Our egg roll is ready. Hope you guys will be trying out this delicious, crunchy, tasty egg roll this season. Yeah, a wonderful snacks that you can enjoy with any chill drink of your choice. Okay, you can serve it hot or warm, right? So guys, let's open it up and see how it goes. It tasted so super delicious. When I mean delicious, hey MIRA'S, be careful so you don't cut your hand. So that is it. You can see the inside is well cooked, guys. Hope you try out this recipe. If you would do, let me know what you think in the comment section. I can't wait to read your wonderful comments. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next cooking video. And remember, bye.